Hey, what's happening, everyone? Today is October the 23rd, 2021. Analyst big idea on Progenity stock. Why Progenity stock can hit $5. We want to see if this market in Progenity is going to be able to hit $5, because if so, we want to already be in position so that we can eat off these market moves. Guess what? You're at a great spot, because this is what I do. I make sure that we put price predictions on our chart so you guys can visually see where we're expecting the market price to go right before the price even gets there. If you guys want to learn more, or at best, if you want to be in the know as to where market is anticipated to move, then hit me up. Keep it locked in right here. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. Tap that bell notification so that you become notified of whenever I upload our predictions to this platform. So now check this out. Watch this. The last video that we did in Progenity was actually on October the 12th, right here. Not hiding anything from you all. October the 12th, we did a price prediction telling you all that we were looking for the market in Progenity to go up in price. And that is precisely what the market has done. I'm not hiding anything from you. You can even go back and listen to what I said. There is a playlist for Progenity stock. We did a playlist. So go back and listen real quick. It doesn't take long. And you guys can see what I said and where I expected the price to go. And it didn't take too long for us to see the market hit our ultimate TP price. You guys can literally tell right here. So we did our price prediction on October the 12th, right? And the market hit our ultimate area TP on October the 19th. So 7 days it took the market to move from where we expected to go, from where we started on October the 12th to where we ended on October the 19th. 7 days, 61% profitability right there. We was already there. And not only were we already there, we told you that we really weren't looking for the market to go higher than that, right? We wasn't. Look at this. We told you to be careful that we can see some selling come into the market around $3.45. We told you, and that is what the market did following October the 19th. It went down. What do you think? This is why you're able to kind of predict where the market's going to go before it switches to the price move, so you get out the way. Now let me get rid of this, okay? Now let's see, what is this big idea? Can Progenity actually hit $5? Okay, that's the answer that we're going to try to figure out today on this video. Because naturally, we're getting hung up right now, okay? So naturally, the first indication is no, we're not anticipating Progenity to hit $5. Not right now. And this is the reason. We got rejected. $3.50. All right, so at least from out the gate, we understand that we got a couple more individuals in this space that is trying to offload their Progenity stock around $3.50. Now we got to get them out the way in order for us to hit $5. We got to push them out the way and say, move over so we can push this price up to $5, right? That is the process that this market is currently going through in Progenity. Simple. Now, let me show you this too, though. The market in Progenity is still in an upward trend, right? So we're still seeing the market in Progenity looking like it still wants to go up in price. So from this perspective, looking at the other side of the tracks, you guys can tell that, yeah, we can still see this market hit $5 because Progenity is not breaking this ascending line. This is going to be our tracker, right? We're going to watch the price movement alongside this ascending line, because as long as the price stays above that ascending line, I have nothing to worry about. The market's going to hit $5, right? We have nothing to worry about. So we're going to hold that line there. Next thing is, we're going to take this long-term horizontal line that I created on my chart, and we're going to move it up there to $5, because that's the biggest area of restriction that we have in the market in Progenity. Okay, right here. Now, I don't want to put you all in some very bad, or give you all some very bad information, because there's too many people on YouTube who has no idea as to how the market works. So even though we may be projecting to see the market go to $5 in Progenity, even though that's our expectations, we still have to see other areas below $5 that can actually stop the price from going up. Can you see that from this price chart right now? Do you see that? And it's right here. Okay. $4. That's the next biggest issue in Progenity, right there around $4. So as I do this price prediction, I want you all to keep in mind that we can still see the market get rejected at $4 and come right back down and test that ascending line. So this is not one of those fast, quick plays that I'm looking at right now in Progenity. No, it's not trading like Funware. It's not trading like that Digital World Acquisition, DWAC is the ticker symbol. It's not trading like that. But the market is still revealing to us that it still wants to try to go up in price. And I really want to show you all, be careful. Right here, earnings release is coming in on November the 15th, right? Either the market's going to continue to go up before the earnings release comes out, and then that's when the market's going to crash, or we're going to see the market go down prior to the earnings release, and then we'll see this big move up higher to that $4 price or $5 price. Okay. So now let's see how the market in Progenity ended on the 3-day time frame. Okay. So this is the 3-day time frame in the market in Progenity, and we got some weakness on the last 3-day price bar. I'm not going to lie. Weakness came in, sellers came into the market the last 3 days of trading, but we was able to overcome that, right? There was enough demand into the market in Progenity that allowed the price to go up. Okay, cool. We needed to see that if our expectations is for price to go to $5. We needed to see the market demand overwhelm those who was trying to sell in the space. And so far that's been the case. Now this is the weekly time frame. So the last 4 weeks, I mean, we've seen some huge amounts of volume, which lets us know that we're seeing some big institutions play in Progenity. They're here right now in the market in Progenity. Now, either they are selling or either they are buying based off all this volume, and how the progression of move been in Progenity over the last couple of weeks shows us that there has been enough buyers into the market that has allowed the market to be sustained and allowed it to go up. All right. So now, last week though, look at this. Got to be careful. Market closed off of the highs. What does it mean? It simply means that there was more sellers into the market last week, that there wasn't enough buyers to keep price up here towards high. So we're not out the woods yet. I got to give you the information based on what the chart is giving me. We're not out the woods yet to see Progenity go down. And the concern is that we saw the market get rejected here, right? 350. So I've already shown you 3 spots on the chart that is going to stop the market move in Progenity of going up. 350 is the first hurdle. Second level is $4. Then we'll be able to see the market in Progenity come up here towards $4.75. Yes, that's what I'm getting. Okay, keeping it real. So now, let me go ahead and see the market on a monthly time frame first, because this is what the monthly chart looks like in Progenity. And so far, either we're going to continue to consolidate, hit this ascending line, and then we'll get a reaction to see the market go up, or we'll break it and see the market just consolidate longer, and it won't be a play here. I'm just keeping it real. It won't be a play here if we see this market in Progenity break this ascending line. There is no play here. It is just going to consolidate. Okay. So right now, the expectation is going to be for us to see Progenity go up. $5, is it possible? Yes, possible. But first, we have to break 350 to the upside, then $4, and then ultimately $5 will be in line, right? I'm gonna bring it down to $4.77. I'm not gonna be impactful around $5 because everyone else will be expecting the price to hit $5. So I want to get out the way, get down a little bit lower from where everyone else is expecting, so I can at least grab the bag while they still be left holding it, right? So this is it. This is my expectation into the market in Progenity. I'm still looking for the price to go up, but as price goes up, I want us to eat as we go up. I don't want you all just to hold the bag until we hit this $4.77 price, because there's no guarantee that we're going to reach that high. So at least let's eat off the market around 350 first, right? Now that's still 20% of us, well, 18.31% of us seeing the price go up. We can still eat off that. And then my second level for us to eat more will be around $4, which is around 35.25% profitability. And then ultimately, the last spot is going to be around $4.77, okay, which is around another 62% move to the upside in Progenity. So now, again, don't forget, if the market price in Progenity breaks this ascending line, this is not a play here, right? Or it might be a play, but it's going to be a very slight play because the market is then going to act alongside that. Ascending line is going to act as restriction, and we don't really want to see that. We want to make sure that this price stays above the descending line rather than break it and then trade sideways. Okay, so this is it. This is what I'm looking forward to. And now, since you're part of our team, let me know real quick in the comment section, what is your expectations as to where Progenity is going to go? This is my thoughts. This is what I'm seeing on the chart. Now it's your opportunity to let me know, what are you seeing? Where's the price going to go? So everyone in our community can see everyone else's thoughts based off what they read. So hit me up. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.